Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about how not everything in business is sunshine and rainbows. I had a couple things break down on me. Let's go check it out. What's up, Mike?
Hey, how are you?
Good. You want to be on my YouTube video?
No.
Oh, Mike. You always want to be on my YouTube. How come?
I don't like attention.
Nobody knows you on my YouTube stuff.
That's good.
Okay, right here, last week we had these tires became loose. So Mike had to go order some new ones and he got the brakes done while we were at it, but we got new tires. It was down for about a week. It cost me a lot of money. Good thing is I had another spare truck. We transferred most of the tools, but we're not able to transfer everything, but she's back on the road tomorrow. Right, Mike? Let's go. So right now we're gonna go set up the GoPros at the job sites. We gotta go pay Parker Hardscapes, and I had the skids here blow a tire, so we gotta go fix that. We gotta go get a new tire, and I have multiple tires, but they're all down. I'm thinking we're gonna have to go buy some tools though, because we don't have the tools, I don't think, but I have to confirm with Manuel. So this is a really big mistake for me because I have the rim, I have the tire on the rim that's flat and no bueno. I have another spare tire, but it's not on the rim. Jesus. So we're pulling up here to the job site and I'm upset. I'm a little sad because this just slows us down. The boys had to unload everything by hand here because I didn't get new tires for us. Yes, I have a flat tire, but that's not gonna ruin my day. I'm going to continue my day. Good thing we have good guys who already went to the tire shop and took care of business. Now follow me along, talk about the jobs and see what's going down. Chavo, ¿cómo andas? Bien. ¿Sí le están waqueando con el...?
Sí, anda. Alfredo.
Yes.
Casi me ibas a comprar una dentadura postiza.
¿Por qué?
Ayer casi me caía.
¿Por qué?
En los escalones que hicieron.
¿Neta?
Sí.
So here we have the camera girl who doesn't film anything.
Yes, I do.
So here we have Zeke now changing the tire, and this is what I mean by having good guys. Cheque, saluda.
Hello? ¿Cómo vas a Rancho Nuevo?
¿Te ayudo?
No, espérate. Creo que no puedo.
¿Sí puedes? Bárbaro. So I just got done paying Les Schwab for the tires. They're going to be mounting 4 brand new tires. I got a pretty smoking deal on them. I got them for $2,200, and I got the other tire mounted. So we're gonna check in on the job site. We're gonna collect the check. It rained. Oh, what the? It rained for the past 2 days. So it's been a little hard to finish this up. So all I need is adding more poly sand and sealing the pavers, okay? This job turned out beautiful. Come check it out. So we got some sod paver borders. It's beautiful. We also got this fire pit, and these, I hope I can start selling these more. They're beautiful, especially with the lights. And these, we're just missing some rock that's gonna go in there, like some glass. Other than that, man. We got some new meat, looking good. I need to get this detailed, but well, that was it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.